Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll delve into being fully present with others, conversing with them authentically instead of thinking of our next response. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Let your sitting bones anchor into the surface underneath and lengthen your spine upward. As your eyes softly close, use just enough effort so that your posture is alert without creating tension in your body. As you settle in, take a few generous breaths. For the next few rounds, let your inhales and exhales slow and deepen. Now, soften your breathing and return to a natural flow. Without shaping or controlling your breath, observe the body's innate ability to regulate your inhalations and exhalations. And as you continue to breathe as effortlessly as you can, notice any sound to your breath. At first, it might be hard to hear your breath. Your inhales and exhales may be very quiet. Most of the sound might even be internal. Without hardening, see if you can quiet your thinking mind and your other senses so that you give your complete attention to the sound your breath makes as it enters and exits your body. Now, as you keep the sound of your breath central to your experience, let your awareness widen a little further out. Without seeking them out, become aware of any other sounds that arise. Whether it's the distant sound of traffic or the most intimate sound of your belly growling, make room for sounds as they arise. There's no need to get caught up in the sounds or to figure out where they originate. Instead, notice the experience of hearing those sounds. Listen to them with your full attention, and once they pass, let them go and return to the sound of your breath. Now, let your attention shift from listening to feeling. Notice the sensations of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. And once more, allow your attention to widen and make room for your experience just as it is. Noticing your breath, any physical sensations in your body, and any thoughts or emotions that rise and fall. Meditation teaches us to be fully present with ourselves. We can do that on a broader scale, making room for our entire experience. Or we can narrow in on one of our senses, just like we did with sounds for parts of our practice today. This focused awareness is incredibly helpful as we deepen our connection to mindfulness on our cushion or chair. But what we do with it outside of our meditation sits is what truly counts. As we take your practice with us into our day-to-day interactions, mindful listening can do wonders to keep our relationships healthier and happier. We can all relate to being part of a conversation where no one is listening to each other. Perhaps our partner is so distracted that they don't hear what we just said. Or we become so focused on defending our point that we forget to listen to what our friend is sharing. Regardless of who feels unheard, this type of conversation serves no one. So why not bring mindfulness into your discussions? Showing up for your loved ones, coworkers, and acquaintances doesn't have to be complicated. It starts very simply by quieting the distractions and giving your complete attention to the person in front of you. Just as you notice and observe the details of your experience in your meditation, learn to be present for every conversation you have. Instead of answering your text, put down your phone. Notice who's there with you. With an open heart, listen to their words, observe their body language, and give them time and space to share before you jump in with your personal thoughts or feelings. This uncomplicated act will allow the person you're with to feel heard and appreciated. Your connection can only deepen and grow. Take a deep breath. Notice your body in space. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Become aware of the room around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring mindfulness to life today in all your interactions. We'll see you back here tomorrow.